Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. If hair breakage and slow growth are your biggest frustrations, this single natural ingredient is your solution. Today, I will guide you completely about castor oil, its benefits, ingredients, science, application protocols, dermatologists' reviews and much more. So subscribe my channel, not to miss latest updates. Section 1. What exactly is castor oil? Castor oil is a vegetable oil pressed from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, native to the tropical regions of Africa and Asia. It's crucial to understand that the raw castor bean contains ricin, a highly toxic substance. However, the commercial cold pressing and heating process used to extract the oil neutralizes and removes this toxin, rendering the final product safe for cosmetic and medicinal use. The oil itself is a triglyceride, and approximately 90% of its fatty acid content is ricinoleic acid. This unique concentration is what sets castor oil apart from all other carrier oils and is the primary source of its purported therapeutic benefits. Other fatty acids present include oleic acid, linoleic acid, and others, but it is the ricinoleic acid that is the star of the show for hair growth. Section 2. Types of castor oil. It's vital to know the difference, as the processing method affects the oil's properties. Number 1. Cold-pressed castor oil. This is the gold standard for hair and skin care. The seeds are pressed without the use of heat, preserving the oil's natural nutrients, fatty acids, and enzymes. It has a pale yellow color and a distinct, thick consistency. Number 2. Jamaican Black Castor Oil JBCO. This is a specific type where the castor beans are first roasted before being pressed. This roasting process gives the oil its characteristic dark brown or black color and a stronger, more smoky aroma. Proponents believe the ash content from the roasting process provides extra scalp cleansing benefits. Number 3. Hydrogenated castor oil. This is not used for hair care. It is a waxy substance used in cosmetics and industrial products. Section 3. The mechanism. How does castor oil actually promote hair growth? The claim that castor oil directly grows new hair follicles is a misconception. Hair follicles are formed in the womb, and no topical oil can create new ones. Instead, castor oil works through several indirect but highly effective mechanisms to create an optimal environment for the existing hair follicles to thrive, leading to thicker, longer, and healthier hair. Number 1. The ricinoleic acid effect. Boosting circulation. Ricinoleic acid is a potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent. When massaged into the scalp, it acts as a stimulant, increasing blood circulation to the hair follicles. Enhanced blood flow means more oxygen and vital nutrients, like vitamins and minerals, are delivered directly to the follicle roots. This nourished environment can help awaken dormant follicles, in cases of non-scarring alopecia, and push the existing hairs into a more robust and prolonged growth, anagen, phase. Number 2. Omega-9 fatty acids, deep conditioning and moisture retention. Castor oil's high concentration of omega-9 fatty acids, primarily ricinoleic acid, acts as a powerful humectant and emollient. It penetrates the hair shaft to restore moisture from within and effectively seals the hair cuticle. This dual action prevents moisture loss, which directly reduces breakage, split ends, and protein loss. As a result, hair becomes stronger and retains its length more effectively, creating the appearance of thicker, longer hair over time. Number 3. Balancing scalp pH and fighting microbes. The oil also contributes to a healthy scalp environment by helping to maintain its natural, slightly acidic pH. Furthermore, its inherent antimicrobial and antifungal properties target common scalp pathogens. This makes it effective in combating issues like dandruff, folliculitis, and bacterial infections that can clog hair follicles and disrupt the natural growth cycle. Number 4. Delivering other nutrients. While castor oil is not especially vitamin-rich, its thick, viscous nature makes it an exceptional carrier oil. When blended with nutrient-dense oils or active essential oils, it enhances their delivery. This unique property helps transport beneficial compounds deeper into the scalp and hair follicles, maximizing the efficacy of the entire treatment blend. Section 4. Clinical research and dermatologists' reviews. According to a 2025 review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology confirmed that ricinoleic acid in castor oil exhibits potent anti-inflammatory activity, which can help improve the scalp environment to support healthier hair growth. According to Dr. Mark A. S. Anthony, dermatologist and hair specialist, think of castor oil as a scalp conditioner, not a miracle growth cure. It improves hair health by creating a better environment for your existing follicles to thrive. Section 5. The Ultimate Application Protocol, a step-by-step. Using castor oil correctly is paramount to achieving results. Proper application ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness while minimizing mess and difficulty during washout. Step 1. Choose your oil. Selecting the right type of castor oil is the first critical step. For most users, cold-pressed organic castor oil is the ideal choice due to its high nutrient retention. If you have an exceptionally dry scalp or prefer a treatment with deeper cleansing properties, opt for Jamaican Black Castor Oil, JBCO, which is created by roasting the beans before pressing. Step 2. Dilution is key, the golden rule. Pure castor oil is extremely thick and viscous, making it difficult to spread and wash out. Always dilute it with a lighter carrier oil to improve its manageability and absorption. The recommended ratio is 1 part castor oil to 2 parts of a lighter carrier oil. Excellent dilution choices include jojoba oil, which mimics the scalp's natural sebum; coconut oil, known for its deep penetration and antifungal properties; argan oil, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants; and olive oil, a highly accessible and effective moisturizing option. Step 3. The pre-application optional but recommended. Before application, warm the oil mixture slightly by placing the container in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. This step is optional but highly beneficial, as warm oil has better penetration into the scalp and hair shaft and provides a more relaxing experience during the massage. Step 4. The application technique. Massage the oil into your scalp using firm, circular motions with your fingertips, not nails, for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. Once the scalp is fully treated, run any remaining oil through the lengths of your hair, concentrating on the ends to condition and prevent split ends. Step 5. The dwell time. After application, cover your hair with a plastic shower cap or a warm towel to create a contained, warming environment. Leave the oil treatment on for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours. For an intensive deep treatment, you can leave it on overnight. Step 6. The washout. For an easier washout, you can first apply your regular conditioner to dry, oiled hair for a few minutes before wetting it. This pre-shampoo step helps to emulsify and lift the oil. Then, use warm water and a generous amount of shampoo for the first wash, lathering and rinsing thoroughly. Follow with a second shampoo, which should produce a better lather, indicating that the oil is being effectively removed. Finish by applying a conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair to restore moisture. For optimal results, follow this entire routine 1 to 2 times per week. Section 6. Powerful castor oil blends for enhanced results. You can significantly enhance your castor oil treatment by incorporating specific essential oils, each targeting distinct hair and scalp concerns. Number 1. For growth stimulation, add 5 to 10 drops each of rosemary and peppermint essential oil to your 2-ounce castor oil carrier blend. Research indicates rosemary oil can be as effective as minoxidil for promoting growth, while peppermint oil boosts circulation to the follicles. Number 2. For dandruff and itchy scalp, a blend of 5 to 10 drops each of tea tree oil and lavender oil and castor oil is highly effective. Tea tree oil provides powerful antifungal action to combat dandruff, and lavender oil soothes scalp irritation and inflammation. My important warning for you is, never apply undiluted essential oils directly to your skin or scalp. They are highly concentrated and can cause severe irritation. Always thoroughly dilute them in your carrier oil blend before application. Important point. Always conduct a 24-hour patch test first to check for allergies. Those with fine, low-porosity hair should use a highly diluted blend to avoid greasiness. Individuals with seborrheic dermatitis or very oily scalps must consult a dermatologist before use, as the oil can worsen these conditions. This is all for today. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel for more latest updates.